Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Western Union Careers account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Western Union Careers account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in career.westernunion.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Western Union's Careers account. Enter your username or email address and password associated with your Western Union Careers account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on the link that says Lost Your Password. This is how you can log into your Western Union Careers account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.